Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. After education tips, now I am telling about this topic. Select a suitable answer from the giving in choice and upon in automatic reactions is allowed to take in place. Other readability in other air and remains constant, increase in decrease in remains of uncharges and number and two in the intermediate reactions is heat comes in other product is more than and two in reaction is more than in that a product and reacts in product in equal calculate equation is 0.41 and 84 b and 41 and equal to in 1 and 4.184 and the changes in heat energy of chemical reactions constant and its infinity and enthalpy changes is boundary of energy is heat to in some relations and internal energy changes which is forming and statement of quantity is which is law of energy in can and energy is the created discovery its form other is most important transfer equation in enable to process is transfer is equation is ability from process in done in other is content in produce mechanical that is heat to supply is possible and for the given in process that is changed is the constant in tissue that is related and to ether to each other and the changes is heat energy to in chemical reaction in constant choosing is one and which is the following of statement contain the first of law the energy of can neither in created and destroyed and energy and the one from the energy and can to be transferred into in equation in an other process in work to in does not in and continues in protection mechanical work without in spline possible and for each other process in heat change and constant pressure and related to each other and showing the path reply to in temperature is one increase and decrease remain in heat to other is remain in product in 4.118 in 40 D and 4.8 and 4 and chemical reaction constant temperature pressure heat of the sublimation and internal energy change in other country is the contribution is a mechanical that is can to is most important elevation amount of gains energy and the transport that is elevation amount of their gains energy is how to work does not and independent of faith is the medical is work of without in supplying equation amount in heat each heat in contrast pressure to it in the contrast volume. Before the reaction in nitro in NH is C in other is reaction in heat of reaction in heat of neutralization, heat of formation, heat of composition and the net and heat change and chemical reaction is same wall and the net and heat is the chemical reaction is it one it the differ is one of the several steps it's one to is Hanek law is his law and Juice law and laws of conversations. And the enthalpy nutrition is all strong and strong other nutrition IDs information solid water strong acid is basic iconic and substance is most important and valid is most that one and find to filling the in flags in suitable parts the substance understanding is physical is chemical change of the other is the internal energy initial that is which is have to more and is crime forms process is it is one to is called to it is take is space and one and process called and is microprose property and is the which is and bring in backward other changes If you are new, must subscribe my YouTube channel, more videos and more updates. Ifra Education Tips. Take care. Allah Hafiz.